Hello everyone, I am Professor D. Manjaya, Associate Professor, Government First Aid College, Rajajanagar. Now I am going to explain second semester BBA Marketing Management. In the Marketing Management, first chapter, Introductions to Marketing. In the Introductions to Marketing, first I would like to explain what is meant by market, that is the meaning of market. Market is a place where buyers and sellers can meet to facilitate the exchange or transaction of goods and services is called as meaning of market. Okay. Next I am going to explain meaning of marketing. First meaning of marketing is the activity, set of institutions and process for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings that have the value for customers, clients, partners and society at large. This is the first meaning of marketing. Second one, marketing is the process of interesting potential customers and clients in your products and services. This is a second meaning of marketing. Third one, marketing refers to the activities of a company associated with buying, advertising, distributing or selling a product or service is called marketing in another way. Fourth way of meaning is marketing means studying the marketplace, finding out what customers want and then creating and delivering those products at the right price is called as a marketing. This is a beautiful meaning of marketing. Fifth one is marketing refers to activities a company undertake to promote the buying or selling of a product or services. This is also another way of explaining the word marketing. Next, I am going to take up the definitions of marketing. First definitions of marketing is, according to Collins Dictionary, marketing is the organization of the sale of a product. For example, deciding on its price, the areas it should be supplied to and how it should be advertised. This is the first definition given by Collins Dictionary. Second definitions quoted by American Marketing Association is, marketing is the activity, set of institutions and process for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings that have the value for customers, clients, partners and society at large. This is the second definition given by American Marketing Association. The third definition is, according to Philip Kotler, marketing as the science and art of exploring, creating and delivering value to satisfy the needs of a target market at a profit. Marketing identifies unfulfilled needs and desires. It defines, measures and quantifies the size of the identified market and the profit potential. It pinpoints which segments the company is capable of serving best, and it designs and promotes the appropriate products and services. This is lengthy definitions given by Dr. Philip Kotler. This is the third definition. Fourth definition, according to Jay Baer, according to him, marketing is the messages and or actions that cause messages and or actions. This is a simple definition given by J. Baer. The fifth definition given by Mary Ellen Bianco. According to Mary Ellen Bianco, marketing includes research, targeting, communications, under that advertising and direct mail, and often public relations. Marketing is to sales as plowing is to planting for a farmers. It prepares an audience to receive a direct sales pitch. This is a beautiful definition given by Mary Ellen Bianco.